Kim Hyun-jung enjoys going hiking with her husband on weekends. And on such occasions, she never leaves without packing some light tea from 자연애 Wellness Tea. Before, she didn't enjoy medicinal teas due to her perception that they taste bitter, whatever health benefits there might be. But with 자연애's light tea, she's become a fan of its smooth flavor as well as its effects.
맹물보단 훨씬 갈증 해소에도 좋고 몸도 가벼워지는 것 같고 그래서 보통 자연의 차를 우려서 마십니다.
자연애's wellness teas have replaced the strong odor of herbs in traditional Korean medicine with a soothing texture and delicate taste. This suave flavor was made possible with their processing of the ingredients 13 times over to take out the harsh bite. Faithfulness to the principle of traditional Korean medicine and devotion to the process. These are the secrets to 자연애's efficacious yet gentle medicinal teas.
한방은 무엇보다도 우리 몸의 조화와 균형을 이루는 데 중점을 맞추고 있기 때문에 특정한 어떤 질병을 치료하는 것과 다르게 전반적인 우리의 어떤 신체의 조화를 목적으로 하는 부분이기 때문에 가장 좋다고 말씀드릴 수 있습니다.
The wellness tea lineup is currently consisted of 6 different mixes. Refreshing tea clears up the sinuses and the mind, while smart tea increases concentration and memory. Powerful tea helps to recover from fatigue and boosts the immune system. For people feeling feeble, filling tea is a good warming choice. Light tea stimulates digestion, making each step lighter. And happy tea helps free women from common gynecological conditions. Normally, herbal brews are expensive and require careful formulation, accounting for the individual. But 자연애's wellness teas have simplified this whole process. You just need to choose the type of tea that fits the way you feel. Their teas have absolutely no preservatives, no additives, and no caffeine. The tea bags are made from high-quality nylon mesh, so you can see what's inside for yourself. Compared to standard tea bags, they're much more porous, creating a faster, more natural infusion. And even when it's wet, the bag doesn't tear, so you can get 2 to 3 more drinks out of one bag.
차들이 건강에 좋은 차들이 많이 나왔더라고요. 그래서 마셔보니까 이때 마시면 이때 뭐 컨디션에 맞게 마시면 좀 괜찮더라고요. 좀 깔끔한 맛도 있고 그래서 좀 선호하게 됐어요.
자연애 wellness teas are made from all natural medicinal herbs, making them useful for a number of purposes. Yu Hyo-sung uses smart tea instead of water in the batter for pancakes she makes for her children. The main ingredient, sweet flag root, has traditionally been used as a performance booster by students. Smart moms recognize the potential of giving 자연애 wellness tea to children who would avoid bitter herbal medicine at any cost.
한약을 저희 아이들한테 먹이려고 그랬더니 그 향 때문에 잘 안 먹더라고요. 그래서 저는 이 똑똑한 차를 우려내서 쿠키나 핫케이크로 아이들한테 간식으로 줬더니 냄새, 향이 많이 나지 않고 아이들이 먹기에도 너무 좋더라고요.
And the tea bags left after all the tea is gone? They can double as air fresheners around the house, among many practical applications. 자연애 has transformed serious medicinal herbal teas into accessible wellness teas. I can't wait for their next tea that will surely be delicious and healthy.